Hello everyone and welcome to this quick tutorial on policies. What I'm going to go through is going to be hopefully what will make all of our lives easier by housing policies in one location in our time in Google Drive, and also using one policy template to really guide the information we need, putting it in a similar style inside of a template so that we can consistently view the policies from one to the other. All right, so here is our policies introduction that has links on it that go to the folder and also to the template. So a policy folder has been created. Here it is, inside of Planning at Timon. And what I did is I started out with a few subfolders. If you need to change the names of these, or if you need to create new ones, feel free to go ahead. You'll also see that there is a policy template inside of here. So this is what the policy template looks like. It has a title up at the top. It has the last updated date on it. And then also has an area for us to list policy owners as well as applicable parties. So who does the policy apply to? Definitions that may need to be clearly spelled out for terms that are used in the policy itself. And then finally, the policy is listed below. So where you can follow this template. However, there are going to be times when you're using a document that's already been created, or it's a PDF or something. And in that case, just upload it to the policies folder and then slide it into the appropriate folder. So that's really it. The other question that might come up is who and how often, who should update the policy and how often should we update the policy? Ideally, we want to get into at least a yearly rotation where we're looking at all of the policies, making sure that they're up to date. But you might know that there is a regulation that has changed. And so in that case, go ahead and update the policy. That's the beauty of having it in Google Drive. You can just come in, and if one word needs to be changed, you just update the word, and then you update the date on the policy itself. So the policy owner is in charge of making the updates. If you feel like you need to start tracking version changes, do that at the end of the policy. But I have to imagine for most of the policies you have, you won't need to do that. That is the case in sort of larger organizations. They'll start to track the policy changes over time. All right, so that was a very quick tutorial. And if you have any questions, just let leadership know.